So I've always been curious about this. What cars could you get for the same price as a Domino's pizza every single day? So I'm here on the Domino's app, and as you can see, a pizza with toppings, whatever one you get, normally costs for a large pizza £20.99. So let's assume that that's how much you'd spend on a pizza every single day. Now, if we times that by the average number of days that there are in a month, which there are 30, and we jump over to the calculator over here, what you see is that we would be spending £629.70 on Domino's every single month, which seems excessive, but let's put this to the test. What cars could we own for that same price per month? And we're going to go through 5 options in today's video. So the first car that we're going to look at is the Porsche Macan. I'm here on 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐿𝐶, one of my favorite sites for lease deals. I'm not affiliated with them, just love using them. And you can see here that a brand new Porsche Macan 5-door PDK is coming out at £502 per month on a 48-month deal with 12 months up front. We're not going to be looking too much to deposit, just at the monthly cost, because of course you can't put a deposit down on pizza. So this Porsche Macan is coming out at £502.24. So we could have this, or we could have a month's supply of pizza. I find that pretty astounding, but this is actually a great deal, and you should get on 𝐦𝐨𝐿𝐶 and have a look at this if you're interested in the Porsche Macan. It is a factory order, but they're great cars, and yeah, that's the first pick. So the next car, we're going electric. We're going for the brand new Tesla Model Y. This has a score of 83 out of 100 on 𝐦𝐨𝐿𝐶, and you can get this car for £517.06 per month through 𝐦𝐨𝐿𝐶. It's a brand new car. It's a 5-door auto, 4-wheel drive as well. Again, we're not going to matter so much about the upfront deposit, but it isn't too much actually. It's £4,653, and you can see that the price has been pretty good over the year. Now, in terms of car details, this is a crazy quick car, 0 to 62 in 4.8 seconds, top speed 135 miles per hour, and a combined range of 331 miles. I know I'd much rather have this over a Domino's pizza every day, but let me know in the comments if you've enjoyed these first 2 cars. So the next car you can get for the same price as a Domino's pizza every day is this Audi RS3 Sportback. This is the brand new model. It's actually the Quattro Carbon Black 5-door S-Tronic, and it's coming out at £559.99 per month, almost £70 cheaper than a Domino's pizza every single day. Now, this is a ridiculously fast car, and I've seen these on the road. They look amazing. You can see from the pictures, they're just unreal inside and out. And if we go to car details, yeah, 0 to 60, 3.8 seconds. You're going to get terrible fuel consumption, so that might take the cost of the car over that amount for Domino's pizza, but the actual cost to lease this car is £559.99 per month right now on 𝐦𝐨𝐿𝐶. So the fourth car you could get for less than a Domino's pizza every day of the month is this Porsche 718 Cayman. I'm going to pick this one here, the one that's £556.58 per month, because most people like going for the automatic model rather than the manual one that you see below for £16 a month cheaper. So this car is £556 a month. It's a brand new Porsche 718 Cayman Auto 2-litre 2-door PDK. It's rear-wheel drive, so it's probably quite fun to drive. 0 to 60, 4.9 seconds. Again, brand new, which is insane. And it's got a combined fuel consumption of 31.7 miles per gallon. Great looking car as well, as you can see from the pictures. I mean, I've seen these cars on the road. They look absolutely outstanding. They hold their value quite well. But of course, this is leasing, so you don't have to worry about the negative equity because you just give the car back at the end of the agreement. So these are the top 4. Let's move on to the 5th and final car that I would pick. So the 5th and final car on my list would be the BMW 2 Series Coupe, the brand new M240i. This car isn't even out yet. It's on factory order, but as you can see from this bit here, it's on for £491 per month. So I could get this for £130 less than a Domino's pizza every day, which is wonderful. I'd take this any day. Now, this isn't obviously including insurance, any road tax, petrol costs. This is purely for the cost of the car, but I think that's a pretty unbelievable deal really for a brand new M240i, you know, X-Drive automatic as well. It's 4-wheel drive. I mean, they look great cars. I can't wait to actually get my hands on one of these if I can actually go ahead and get a test drive of them. They look insane inside. They've got really good road presence from what I've seen about them on the road. 0 to 62, 4.3 seconds, but I've seen from some reviews it does do it even faster than that. 34.4 miles per gallon, pretty good for the kind of performance that you get from it. And yeah, that's my 5th and final review. So hope you've enjoyed this video. They're quite fun, and I'm going to do this with other restaurant chains as well, just so you can see the comparison between food and cars. But yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, please go ahead, like and subscribe, and leave in the comments what you'd like to see next. See you all next time.